Okay, so in this video I want to talk about tractor tires, lawn tractor tires, and what the numbers are, what the numbers mean, and how they look on different tractors. For example, right now we've got 3 different tractors lined up here. They are all clearly AYP products. AYP stands for American Yard Products, and this AYP tractor was made for Ariens, and these two were made for Craftsman, but you can obviously see that the body style is the same, and a lot of the parts are interchangeable and the same depending on what model you pick. So first of all, let's take a look at the front tires. Front tires typically on these particular models anyway, we're looking at a tire that's 15 by 6 by 6, and what that means, it's 15 inches high and it's 6 inches across, and then the inside dimension is 6 inches, and that is the same in all 3 of these tractors right now. The back tires are a little different story though. So take a look at this back tire here. This is an 18 by 9.5 by 8 NHS. Now the NHS just means non-highway service, so don't get thrown off by that. It means nothing except it's not meant for being on the highway, obviously. So 18 would be the height of the wheel, 9.5 would be the width here, and 8 would be, of course, the inside diameter. On the next tractor, we're looking at 20 inches high by 8 this way, and 8 again in the middle. So all these rims are the same. It's the tire that's different. On the DLT 3000 over here, let me just go around this side where there's daylight. We're also looking at a 20-inch tire, but this one is 10 inches across here and 8 inches this way, and again it's NHS, non-highway service. So with this particular lawnmower, it's kind of a bigger, beefier lawnmower. It can handle 10-inch wide wheels. Let's take a look at the back, and you'll see a bit of what the width looks like when it's on the back of the tractor. There's the 10, there's the 8, and there's the 9.5. Now I originally tried a 10 on this, like that one there, and unfortunately the 10 on this particular lawn tractor comes so very close to hitting the wheels on the deck. Let me show you. This is the identical deck over here. No, it's not. This one doesn't have wheel there like I'm talking about. Anyway, this one, when it had a deck on it, it could not accommodate a 10-inch wide wheel very easily, because not only did the wheel stick out quite a bit from the bumper, kind of like that, it also was in danger of rubbing against the deck. But anyway, there we go. There is a difference and the similarities amongst some of the tractor tires that are available for your tractor. All right, very good. If you learned something, then I did a good job, I think. Anyway, thanks for watching.